Welcome, my name is Guido van der Graaf and you're at the CBI tutorials. How do I create a successful tourism website? This section is about how you can make your homepage a true gateway of all you have to offer. In your homepage and actually in all the templates, the same kind of elements that you're using in your content come back. Inspire, help, prove, and sell. So we start with inspiring, and explore.co.uk is doing it very nicely. Beautiful photo, your most important persona, selling your most important product with a message that supports that. Go solo and save. Then you want to show your customers, your main personas, why they should do business with you. And you do that with your unique selling points, like much better adventures, or give them main reasons to go with you. With us, you go to places others won't. Nice combination that you see on much better adventures. Robin Safaris is showing what their company stands for, how they were founded, what they are doing, and then link to their About Us page. So you want your homepage an introduction to the different kind of pages, most important pages that contribute to your bookings while being inspiring, being helpful, prove, and sell. And if you tell about your company, you're being helpful because you're answering the question, who are you? Guide your persona to the kind of tour trips that they like and do that in a visual way so that people can instantly see that. Show children if you want to send your visitor to family trips. Show food if you want them to go to a food or wine type of trip. Put emphasis on your most important products, like Responsible Tracks is, for example, doing with a tour of the month. Show you're worth a try, like, for example, Pioneer Holidays is doing. They're showing their rewards, they're showing their constant quality. Prove that you are a stable company or a sustainable company are the associations that you are associated with or the certifications that you got. And Costa Rica Family Holidays is doing that here in an excellent way. And sell with call to actions, leave a message, but also to sign up for your newsletter and give a reason why people should sign up to get extra promotions, to get extra insight, etc.